कॉफी में तो कितना ही टाइम लगेगा, 5 मिनट में पी लोगे।
Yes. After having consultations among ourselves, we are of the unanimous opinion that you are a very good material for civil service.
Thank you.
You conducted yourself with confidence, dignity, and so we are all pleased about it.
Thank you,
But a
sir.
few shortcomings which we have noticed. Your knowledge base is very good. You formulate your views also, but your biggest drawback is your fast speech. Please reduce the volume of your speech, because the first casualty is speech clarity. तो थोड़ा आहिस्ता बोलिए, हाँ बहुत फास्ट मत बोलिए और थोड़ा छोटा बोलिए. You have a tendency to give very long answers. Please avoid that. As my colleagues have said that 3-4 sentences in response to a question should suffice. And if they want you to elaborate, you are always free to elaborate, because you should leave more time to the board, UPSC board, to ask you more questions. ठीक है ना? अब अगर आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा आंसर देंगे तो टाइम नहीं रहेगा उनके पास, and they don't like long answers. Nobody would like long answers. Brief, concise answers, and try to give a pause before responding. Try to introspect about the questions, revolve it in your mind कि क्या पूछा है. Questions को revolve करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Introspection is it should be a well thought out answers. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एकदम बोल दिया. One thing you must remember that your knowledge has already been tested. It's in the mains and prelims, so they are not worried about your knowledge. They are more concerned about the manner in which you present yourself effectively, confidently, logically. These are the qualities. तो आप आंसर दे पाते हैं नहीं दे पाते हैं, छोटा बनाइए. जितना लंबा देंगे you will get trapped. ठीक है? तो नॉलेज के ऊपर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन व्यूज़ आपके फर्म होने चाहिए. और स्ट्रक्चर करिए आंसर को. 4-5 सेकेंड ब्रेक दे, पॉज दे के यू स्ट्रक्चर द आंसर्स उसी दौरान, है ना? बिकॉज कीप देम वेटिंग फॉर 5 सेकेंड. नोबडी विल, बोर्ड विल नॉट feel irritated. They will have a feeling that you are thinking about the questions and you are formulating your answers after thought. ठीक है ना? ये आप ध्यान में रखिए. और concise answers is must. Now coming back to the basics, your mannerisms, your speak aloud. थोड़ा सा आहिस्ता बोलिए, तेज़ बोलिए, थोड़ा बोलिए, हाँ वॉल्यूम बढ़ाइए उसको. हाँ, और आपकी शर्ट जो आपने यही कोट पहनेंगे. हाँ, तो शर्ट अगर वाइट पहनेंगे तो दैट विल शाइन, because it should be a contrast. Tie also should be plain tie. वो मैचिंग होनी चाहिए. अगर आप लाइट ब्लू, ये ब्लू कलर सूट है तो ब्लू कलर की, लाइट ब्लू कलर की टाई पहनिए. और आई होप द लेंथ ऑफ द टाई इज ओके. थोड़ा छोटा खड़ा होकर बता दीजिए. हाँ, छोटी है ना, इट शुड कम अप. तो अच्छा, मैंने एक नोटिस किया है that there is a logo on your coat. Please remove it.
Label pen.
Unless you want
You
to
can
be
do without it.
Okay. You are not a brand ambassador for any company or anything. इसको remove कर दीजिए. These are not required. No. इसको हटा दीजिए.
Yes, sir, it can be removed from. Sir, it can be removed from.
हाँ, very
do it
easily,
really.
very easily, है ना.
Only for the
I-
interview.
I hope you will shave on the day of the interview, or you would like to keep this Talibani
shave.
beard.
I'll save everything.
Shave everything.
When
That's
is your
very good.
interview?
Sir, 24 August.
24.
बहुत time है.
Around the corner.
Do you watch the videos on YouTube channel, any of the international affairs, Hindu? So Hasni Heather,
I read about the editorials, but not the video.
watch them quicker and faster. I'll give you an example. Like when we were talking of the Xinjiang region, Chairman Sir said that you should take a 4 to 5 second pause. When you take the pause, just note the keywords. What are the keywords which you put in your answer would know that you know your subject exactly. So that they are a Turkic ethnic group, that the Han Chinese the genesis of the problem is because of this. So once
Yes,
you
ma'am.
use one or two of these words, the panel will understand you know your subject.
Yes.
So just formulate them in that pause.
Okay.
Use them.
Okay.
And also maybe you can watch the Cut the Clutter, Shekhar Gupta, print. Again, that's a YouTube channel, so you can have a look. Read your papers thoroughly till the interview, including the day of the interview. Don't miss out the headlines on the day of the interview, because if there is any, international affairs, it's an evolving situation. So if
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is something which is major or which is important which has happened, we should be able to.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will add actually one thing.
Uh-huh.
See, your knowledge and depth is very good. There is no doubt. We all agree it is very good.
Thank you.
But when it comes to giving the opinion, never take very extreme views, like Taliban in Tibet.
Yes.
You had that clarity, we know that. But instead of taking very extreme view, you can give actually that this can be this can be the better option. This is what my opinion
Yes,
is. Give both the sides. Give actually more than one option. Don't take actually extreme sides.
Okay.
Then what happens? Then actually it becomes difficult to come back on that issue. Suppose there are further supplementaries. So don't take very extreme. Be diplomatic
Yes.
and use actually words very carefully.
Okay.
Not like that this is the only option for India. So
Yes, sir.
keep actually more than one option. It's always good for a diplomat.
Yes, sir.
See, Tibet we have considered it as part of China.
Yes.
Now, can you reverse that policy now? And see, Tibet card, as it is called,
Yes.
it has, it is a card, but not such a card that which can be played any point of time.
Okay.
Pakistan tries to play the J&K card, but that card has outlived its utility,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes.
So, what Sir has said, give a nuanced answer. There are always multiple sides to a situation. Present all of them, and out of that you can say that, taking a totality of everything, this appears to be one of the options.
Yes.
That tentativeness is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
But tell me, with this kind of wide knowledge, I mean, we all are impressed, but how actually the headquarter of this, exile government in Dharamsala, I mean, you missed it.
Yes.
What was the reason? I mean,
Sir,
you
I knew-
really missed it or you didn't
Sir,
know
I
it?
knew Dharamshala.
You
And
knew?
you said Haryana.
Sir,
Oh, you said Dharamsala.
I said it's in headquarters is somewhere in Haryana.
हाँ, but
Haryana
Haryana
is not in Haryana.
Yeah, but Haryana has nothing
और
to do
आप तो
with
खुद
Himachal.
उत्तराखंड के हैं,
Yes.
तो वो
तो
एरिया
then-
तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. And also one of the burning global issues is environment.
Yes.
So anticipate a question on environment. The IPCC report has just come yesterday.
Yes.
See how it is impacting India and what is the global repercussion. Because if it is 3 degrees, then there is no place which is safe on earth.
Yes. Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So just have a look at these kind of prominent global issues.
Yesterday, Prime Minister has emphasized 5 points.
Merit.
Now they remind us of the Nehruvian Panchsheel. Compare them and study them carefully.
Yes.
But tell me one thing, where Dalai Lama stays? Where Dalai Lama stays in India? He's in India, no?
Yes.
And you rightly told there is some sort of organization. I am not aware when he asked actually whether there is government in exile or not. But you know actually that yes, there is actually area where these people are staying. Then the logical actually argument will be that where are these Tibetans staying in which area? They cannot be in Haryana.
McLeodganj? Have you been to McLeodganj?
They are
Dharamshala?
most-
Himachal?
Yes.
No.
So
They-
just take a pause,
Google
visualize everything, and then deliver it.
Sir, actually, I didn't know where Dharamshala is.
Oh dear.
That's
you
why I
didn't
thought it's
know.
Do you
a
know where
nice-
Majnu Ka Tila is in Delhi?
Sir,
No.
That is where the Tibetan
That
population.
is where Tibetans are.
so that's
Majnu
They
Ka
have their
Tila,
camp there.
North Delhi. ISBT के पहले?
Yes.
दिल्ली में नहीं पढ़े आप?
Sir, ma'am, only 5 years. That's
5 years क्या किया? What did you do?
engineering
अच्छा,
computer.
इंजीनियरिंग वालों को टाइम नहीं मिला। अदरवाइज DU का तो हर स्टूडेंट वहाँ मिलेगा आपको।
Yes, ma'am.
But
धर्मशाला
you
मुझे पता था
Have you
लेकिन
seen the central secretariat buildings? You have never been there. You will be sitting there and you should have seen it. North Block, South Block. You will be sitting in one of these buildings one day.
so with respect to places, I have not much knowledge.
You know, brush it up.
At least
Sir, आप
Google
कुछ
Map.
कह रहे थे?
Yes.
Okay, just have a
Quickly.
look.
Just quickly, Tibetans are all over the country, okay, but they are concentrated in certain areas more. So this government looks after their interests, their education, their training, sending them abroad. I mean, like any other government function. And they have in McLeodganj all departments, but they are like one room department. I mean, departments, one room minister's office, and parliament is just twice the size of this. ठीक है, सब organizations हैं exile, that government in exile. But anyway, I mean, now only one point. आपका, I mean, overall you are a very good candidate. Go with that satisfaction, that confidence. But what ma'am referred to you is, you know, look at these videos. Reading editorial is good. Videos में दो advantage हैं. Besides analysis and all that, you also know how, you know, you can argue, how you can express yourself, right? And how you can present your argument briefly, concisely, like a diplomat. And diplomat never gets into language which our friend said here, extreme language, expressions नहीं. You know, it appears, there are possibilities, ये are इनके common वो है expression, right?
Sir, I was asked to elaborate a little bit so that, you know, with examples.
Elaborate on
etc.
what?
And any point that I am making, they said to in earlier mocks to elaborate with examples and so that there could
You know
be
that you can, but then elaboration need not be an unending tale. You know, no waxing eloquent.
Permission ले लो.
okay.
So ask for, you know, can I explain it through an illustration example? और कहते हैं yes, go ahead. Otherwise, you know, cut your answer at about 4, 5, maximum 6 sentences. Start practicing. You still got about 10 days or so to work on that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Oh, sir, okay.
You want
All
to
the
ask?
best.
Thank you, sir.
You want to ask any question?
Sir, with respect
Yes.
to only with respect to engineering, not much was asked, and I'm not good in that engineering.
You see what happens, I will just tell you why. Had it been Indian Administrative Service or Police Service, the interview will be different. But when you opt for the Indian Foreign Service, there is tendency to ask more questions related to foreign policy.
Yes.
But definitely you can be asked related to your education, related to your optional, related to the DEF. Anything can be asked.
Yes, sir.
And one favorite question is why this transition from engineering to civil services?
Yes.
That's a standard question. So
Think
just
of a good reply,
And
an
one-
honest one, if possible.
Just one point on your engineering you were asking. उसमें ये ज़रूर देखिए what are the latest developments, latest inventions,
Yes.
right? ये बड़ा आसान सा जवाब है, मटेरियल बड़ा आसानी से मिल जाता है, but you know that updates you immediately.
Okay. All the best to you.
Thank you,
Right.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.